Entrepreneur. Functions of entrepreneur are classified into 4 parts. They are entrepreneurial functions, promotional functions, managerial functions and commercial functions. Today we will discuss about entrepreneurial functions in detail. What is the meaning of entrepreneurial functions? Entrepreneurial functions are concerned with identification of an idea and readiness to undertake the risk. That's what an entrepreneur does. An entrepreneur identifies the idea and he implements that idea and bears the risk during the implementation. So, an entrepreneurial function includes identification of an idea and readiness to undertake the risk. Entrepreneurial functions are mainly classified into 3 parts. One is innovation. First of all, let's clear the meaning of innovation. Innovation does not mean only making a new product or inventing a new product. Innovation can be in any form. Innovation can be in the form of creating a new product or introducing a new combination of means of production or new product or new market for existing product or new sources of raw material. These all are in the form of innovation. For example, McDonald's expanded its business and found new market in India. We will say that they invented a new market. That is also a kind of innovation. So, an example, iPods, smartphones, induction cookers, these all are very good examples of innovation. So, very first function of every entrepreneur is they invent. Invention in the form of new product, new market or new resources. Next function, the major function which every entrepreneur takes is risk taking. I generally say my students, wherever there is entrepreneur, it means there is risk, because entrepreneur believes in taking and managing the risk. Risk basically refers to taking responsibility for a loss that may or may not occur due to unforeseen events of future. Unforeseen events means those events I don't know, the events which I cannot predict. So, risk refers to taking responsibility of loss that may occur due to unforeseen events of future. And an entrepreneur is always self-confident and highly optimistic person. Optimistic because he feels, okay, I'll take the risk. What if something wrong happens? I'm there too, I'll learn something from it. So, an entrepreneur is self-confident and highly optimistic person who is willing to assume risk involved in innovation, ventures and expansion of an existing venture. So, second function of every entrepreneur is risk taking. Third is organization building. Organization building includes 2 things. One is organization, it includes organization and it includes management. Organization means arrangement of resources, bringing together the factors of production. They are land, labor, capital and entrepreneur. And management means allocation of these resources. Division of these resources or use of these resources in such a manner that production cost should be reduced. So, organization building includes not only organizing, which means arranging the resources, but also it includes managing the resources. So, these are the 3 entrepreneurial functions. So, what are these? The majorly entrepreneurial functions are, I say they are RIO. RIO means R for risk taking, that every entrepreneur takes the risk. I for innovation, that every entrepreneur does the innovation, and O for organization building. So, learn this word RIO, which means risk taking, innovation and organization building. Thank you for joining this lecture. You can evaluate your performance by joining the quiz with the link given below it. That link that will help you to evaluate your understanding of this particular topic. Thank you.